your baby line. They gonna know in that phone in the building. And I'm back with another reaction video today. As you can see by the title, I'll be reacting to Kyle first time building a gingerbread house. Man, y'all been telling me to react to this, so I'm finna go ahead and get straight into it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. Gang, I'm telling y'all, we done rolled 3K subs. Y'all might as well go ahead and sub up. I'm telling you, you're gonna want to join the gang. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video, y'all.
Alright, so this is actually my first time building a gingerbread house. Yeah.
Alright, so let me open up my
This is
house.
first
Okay.
time.
Yep, open up your house.
It's the first time for everything,
Open up my
y'all.
back cave.
I'm not
You
gonna
feel what I'm
lie.
saying?
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Y'all, Agent
No, it
lost
smells
hella weight.
That smells like.
But y'all, I done built a gingerbread house before. Have y'all? Let me know in the comments.
So that smells like the grandma makes. You just
Yeah,
eat it
bro.
from the
You gotta do a boogie listening party.
Okay, first thing first on mine it says need the icing piercing for 1 to 2 minutes. You feel me? Just wanna go like this a little bit. Then it says decorate the house pieces, gate, Batmobile, and Batman cookies with icing and candy allowed
Why
to
and Wagent.
fire. I'm
Okay.
not talking. Okay.
I ain't gonna lie.
Chad, you
That might
actually
be
use your
some-
hands with the gingerbread man? And
It might be some tall gingerbread houses, y'all.
You gonna put black on there?
It's black.
I know, but I'm saying white.
Oh, a knife. I'm gonna get you a knife. Alright. Alright. Woo! How to buy this? Oh yeah, GG's. Oh yeah, GG's. Oh yeah, GG's. GG's, chat. That would be fair. That's the perfect time to do this.
Yeah, I'll call you back.
Look at it looking. That why AJ got a sneaky link.
You.
So, what's the weather been like?
Chat, this is hard. Like, I'm back. Was anybody good at arts and crafts in here?
Yo, all the works.
I was terrible, bro.
Look at all that
like-
icing
like
Agent is
class.
putting on that one
Like, who goes
piece,
to
y'all. They not gonna have no more left.
Agent, keep up the weight loss grind. Am I gay?
Yeah,
Whoa.
you asked.
But
If you have to ask,
you probably are, bro. And it's fine.
Whoa.
live your life, man. No one's judging. We all respect.
Bro. This man said something positive. Said, Agent, keep up the good weight loss. Then asks, am I gay? Like, what the world, bro? Like, these folks is tripping on street.
Lock the door or Phantom will smell the gingerbread from upstairs and eat them.
Then he talking about
Is that
yes
a secret
since you
now?
asked.
Right? Is he?
Oh, snap, looking good so
Oh my
far.
God.
Oh my god, don't eat the white.
Why?
That's glue.
1 month.
What?
It's glue.
You ate glue?
I'm finna say.
Did they just like that in general? But you're eating your before you eat.
No, I'm just licking my fingers. It's delicious. Hey, how am I doing so far?
It's looking a little
I'm
lean
doing so
inside
far.
right there, bro. Like,
Woo! Come on, bro. I
oh,
threw a wishing no
He-
well.
yeah,
Don't
he's
ask me,
decorating
I
his
never
house
tell. I
before.
fell asleep in yourself.
That's what
and now
Agent
you're
should have
in
did.
my
Now I think
way.
about it, because how he
Your
gonna decorate
hip is
this?
staring, fit jeans, hip is staring, hotline, ain't nothing. Where you think you're going, baby? But here's my number, so call me, baby.
Did I ever tell you that, like, you have a horrible voice? Like,
Yeah, like
I
that.
tried knocking my chat. I'm like, Uzi, wake your up. What's wrong with you? You got knocked the out.
where did one of my pieces go? You stole it?
What piece?
Where's my piece?
I think that long piece supposed to be in the
Hey,
back.
run me my f***ing piece, man.
Drives fast. Nobody stole your
K. Mr. D.
Get your piece back in blood.
Why Agent
stole
isn't
them?
decorating
No,
his?
why would I
He
steal
just
it?
putting it up.
It doesn't do nothing to the back. Okay,
Yo,
that's
bro.
just fast.
Not gonna lie, this house is crazy tough, bro. Oh my god.
His shit
Bro,
falling
for
apart.
that Bill Holmes in real life, you're Bill Holmes.
You 5 months.
Like, I'm just on you right now. Be honest.
Oh my god. Yo, this
I mean, yours not even up yet though, y'all.
Bro, stop eating your house and build it.
Hey,
Lord.
my house fire so far?
At least his put up. Kai still working on his, y'all. But
Big
still might
11
be
months.
good.
Is this the glue?
Wait, why don't I just sprinkle like?
Oh no, this is just coloring.
Wait,
Yeah.
why don't I just sprinkle random on this?
Alexa play Big Mouth by
Alexa, shut the
Cupcake.
f up!
Look at Agent just licking the frosting.
Annoying, bro.
You should like do something about it.
We gotta beat their asses, bro.
Oh, I found the piece. I'm so fucking. No, that's just.
If I was a woman, I will straight gacking your meat.
What the fuck? You're weird as fuck.
That's weird, bro.
Like, that's sexual harassment, ain't it?
Yo, he said if I they tripping, y'all. That was zesty.
Alright, I'm done.
I think that was the most zestiest one so far. He said
Bro,
if I was a girl, like whoa, bro, he's
You
tripping.
see that they got it in the creases, the windows.
Yeah.
Like, bro, what the fuck?
Nah, my shit is tough so far.
Like, it's just actually ass.
Yo, you're on my dick. Alright, so far so good, chat. Look at
You
what we
didn't
got.
even say thank you, bro. That's fucked up.
Hey, appreciate it, man. So far so good. So what we got so far is we
Our
got
couch
the house,
is
we
looking
got
like
the
a
front,
real, you know.
we got the side, and we got the roof.
You didn't even do shit yet,
We
Kane.
got the roof, and then we got the back.
Put a firecracker in a house before you build it.
We got the back, and then look at the roof though. The roof got brick on it.
They ain't
A lot
saying nothing
of
about them
niggas- a lot of y'all
fireworks.
roofs don't have brick on it. The way this one does. Get it close up.
They want him to drop it, y'all.
Ass. I really just want to eat this shit, bro.
He
Hi,
eating it.
has Agent introduced you to any Ethiopian women?
No.
Bro, I don't even talk to women.
You got the money?
He ain't say nothing.
No, no, no.
Bro.
Double grip it.
Hey, yo!
Alexa, what is
Alexa,
my
shut the
address?
fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Alexa, shut the fuck up!
Agent now. That was zesty now, my boy, but we gonna keep it
Time not
pushing.
done? Yo, this nigga's running over the time, man. Look at my fucking estates right here.
You didn't do shit.
Look, bro, a lot of niggas would love to live in a home like this.
Chat, whose one is better? Oh, I didn't even
Not
that.
Flo would be a good judge, but he might cheat one of you.
No, I look like Kai just wanna go get some real glue for that shit.
He wish you a Merry Christmas, sweet. The fuck? Nigga. Oh my.
Two kids building gingerbread
Oh,
houses
and the
waiting
black
for Santa
icing.
Claus Phantom to eat them after smiley face.
What the fuck?
Like that shit good.
Two-D house versus 3D house is crazy.
This nigga.
Ah!
Tripping.
What the fuck?
That actually looks fucking scary. Like, he looks like a zombie.
It do.
Bro!
But it matches his shirt
Yo,
though,
you
y'all.
stupid. That's
So.
crazy.
Bro!
Yo, you look like you eat humans every day.
Nah,
Bro,
like
what
he
the
was some
fuck
type
are
of
you
zombie or
doing,
something with that
bro?
black ice and he eating. What the world?
What?
They
Is it?
tripping.
It actually does. I swear it does.
Teeth turning black. Like, what is going on?
On Christmas tree, Santa came to me.
What is that? That's a
Oh, you
fucking
finna
bat
clean it
signal,
up.
man.
If I want to practice kissing, do I practice on a wall?
Nah.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
You don't need to practice kissing.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie.
Why do they asking Kai these type of questions, y'all? These gotta be some little kids or something
Do
in
it.
chat.
I'm putting shit
Oh,
everywhere.
you should just decorate it. I should decorate mine.
Yeah, you didn't decorate
Yeah, I
me.
didn't decorate mine.
Put my shit on everywhere. Fuck, bro. Oh my god.
Okay, now he putting the stuff on there, y'all.
Chat.
I like the green.
Buying gingerbread houses is a scam.
Facts.
Yes, sir, 3 months.
He using his fingers, y'all.
There's a scam.
Like,
Due
what?
to the fact that the box displays like perfect decorating and this and the
Yeah,
third.
yeah.
When they don't give you the right materials
W.
to do it.
Because if we had the right materials, we would have bodied this shit.
Yeah, you would have fucking bodied this shit. But since they don't got the right materials, bro, you should see the box versus what we got, bro.
But it's like when you look at a fast food ad and then you actually have
8 months gang.
But
Not
y'all
same
not
thing.
even okay. I guess I understand, y'all. It look like they don't have a lot to
Fuck, bro.
Yo, they haven't even seen my fucking roof yet. This shit is decorated, man.
Ass.
Agent, what's your leg day like in the gym?
That shit black. That shit cool.
How is this not being this nigga shit?
That's ugly. Why he choose black?
Yo, put
Talking
your fucking
topic.
crib up.
Talk
You've
about
been
how y'all
decorating
want
the
to
whole
impact the
time.
world
Cause you
with your
can't. It's
platform.
one-sided, bitch.
Wait, what?
How I was one-sided?
It's like Mario? Like, look at this shit.
Oh, like Mario.
Yo, if niggas grant him the win and this is his fucking bat signal, this shit is disgusting, man. It's not no fucking bat signal. If Batman saw that, man, he'd turn back around.
Purr.
Ain't no
Like,
way.
if I didn't tell you this was a bat signal, what would
Ain't
you
no
think
way,
it was?
man.
Dead
Ain't
ass.
no way.
What is this? What is that, bro?
He eating all this gingerbread, man, and everything they're supposed to use for the gingerbread house. Like, ain't no way. Ain't no way, y'all. He didn't even try to put it up.
Oh!
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 He just
What's your
crushed.
problem, bro?
Bro. Bro, he just crushed his. Look, y'all. Watch this. Watch this.
Oh!
Knocked it down. But look at Adrian, though. He demolished pieces.
Oh!
What is your problem, bro?
Oh! Bro, he just tackled this man. What? Bro, what is going on? Like, why they had it in a video like that, y'all? Man, I gotta go watch that full stream. Man, Adrian just tackled this man for knocking down his gingerbread house. Like, that got serious real quick, y'all. If y'all watch this video all the way through, I appreciate love so much. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Y'all, they gonna know that 4 in the building. Thanks for watching.